tips in choosing the best green tea. Published by GreenTeaBay.com. The best green tea is now accepted around the world as a healthy and delicious beverage. In China, this has been used for 5,000 years as therapeutic and medicinal drink. At present, people want the health benefits of green tea, thus they wish to buy the best there is. What we want in green tea. To get the best green tea, we should know what we desire from it. We may be looking for green tea that has the most antioxidants or a caffeinated one to replace coffee. We should also think about the tea's catechins content, because these are what make the tea very effective in removing toxins from our body. A 2003 study said one specific green tea brand has 105.7 milligrams of catechins for every gram. Loose leaf green tea. We should also consider loose leaf green tea. This releases more catechins than a tea bag with the same size, especially if the loose leaf is finely grounded. If, however, the tea bag is dunked in our cups repeatedly and we squeeze them afterwards, we may be able to get the same amount of catechins. Bottle brands. We should also consume the bottle brand of the best green tea extract. This has added flavor and is convenient to consume. A study said that the best bottle green tea is one with honey, as this specific brand has more catechins than the other bottled teas that were tested. The only problem with bottled green tea is it has calories due to its sugar content. Flavor green tea. We should try out different flavors of green tea if flavor is what we desire. Remember that green tea need not be boring. There are those that have flavors as they have ingredients such lime and mint in it. We can also buy decaffeinated green tea if we do not want to consume caffeine. Keep in mind that the taste of tea shall depend on its scent. If it has a strong scent, it has a strong flavor. Another indicator of flavor is the leaves, color. Kinds of green tea. What is the best green tea? There are different kinds we can choose from. There are roasted green tea that has a color of brown and green, but they taste like light black tea, which is a bit better. There are also dark green teas that are emerald or evergreen in color and they are stronger and have an earthier taste. There are also light green teas which best resemble spring leaves. These have a crisp and light taste as well as an herbal or floral undertone. How to make green tea. We should never boil water because the green tea will be destroyed with this, thus the effects of it should be gone as well. The taste will be bitter and harsh. We should only brew it for 5 minutes, taking care not to overbrew. The leaves should be removed when the tea is brewed so that we can use them in our next pot. We can brew green tea 4 times. If we wish to lose weight or gain healthy benefits, these are the tips in choosing the best green tea for weight loss, toxin removal and prevention of illnesses and diseases. For more information, please click the link below to visit our website and share it. See you another page.